Yeah, hi today. Hope everyone is good. Here we are with factorization, grade 10. This was a question from an examination paper, the national examination paper. Yes, when they talk about factorization, the first thing that we need to recognize are the numbers which have the same, or are the terms which are common. Like when you try to go to this part 1, this one here, it says 4x minus x squared, 4x minus x cubed, meaning that what is common when you try to look at this question? X is common. When you try to look at this one and this one, x is common. So what do I need to do? I need to get x out, meaning that I'll remain with a 4 because x is already out. So since one x is out and there were 3 x's, you remain with 2 x's, that is x cubed. Alright, so what do you recognize? I can recognize the difference of two squares by saying this is x into 2 squared, into 4 is the same as 2 squared, then minus x squared. And what do we know about the differences of two squares? We know that whenever you're having a squared minus b squared, obviously you're getting a plus b and a minus b. So meaning when you come to this part, it means I'm gonna get x into 2 plus x into brackets 2 minus x. So here you factorized question 1. Yes, when we go to question 2, we have question 2 says x squared minus 15x, then minus 54. They want you to factorize it. Here we're going to factorize by grouping. The first thing you have to look at this question, make this positive 15. The first step that you do here, you have to look at the factors of 54, whereby when you add them, they give you 15, and when you multiply, they give you negative what? Negative 54. So factors of 54, we have 1 and 54 is there. We even have a lot, but here you have to be so smart to see those factors at a very high speed, because in examinations you don't have that much time. So 18 and negative 3 will also give me 54, and when you add both of these ones, they will obviously give you positive 15. So there you don't need to waste time, you just say x plus 18, because 18 is positive, and x minus what? Minus 3. Here you have factorized. When we go to the last part, where you're given, okay, let us mark this one. Then the last part, we are given y minus xy, then plus x minus 1. How are we factorize this? We factorize this still by grouping. You take 2, like this one and this one. So this one, obvious in the first group, y is common. If you pull out y, here you remain with 1. Please, here you remain with 1. It's like you're dividing. When you divide y over y, you remain with the 1 here. So then minus x. But when I try to look at this part, x comes first, of which I have to get something which looks like the same thing here in brackets. So what do I do for that case? I just need to change the sign so that I put out a -1 here. When I put out a -1, this one will come here, so that when you get -1 times +1, you go back to this. Then minus x. Why minus? Negative times a negative, it will give you a positive x again. So for that case, you have to take these ones which are out. Please don't forget to take the signs. You automatically get y minus 1 because there is a -1 here. And also y plus, and then 1 minus x. You have simply factorize the equations or the expressions. Yeah, when you want to talk to us, please just visit our offices at 14 Pretoria Street. We are located in Rustenburg, Northwest. Our numbers are 07623 2361. We give one-on-one lessons, and we can also give you those ones who are distant from us. We can give you the Zoom lessons for the topics that you are struggling with. We can prepare for you. Yes, just contact us on those numbers or use our emails. This is the email. So that we can assist your children. Matriculates, you just register with the department, then you come, we'll give you one-on-one lessons in both maths and physics. Thank you for listening to us. We appreciate your time. Please inbox us for more information. Bye-bye.